Hello YouTube, this is Kazarim said so, and today we are going to learn how to make a nicely shaped rainbow like this one in 1 minute. First, we have a shape ready to go. Click on the gradient tool and then press anywhere on the shape you want to color. Go to the properties panel on the right. There under gradient you will find 3 options. Pick the last one, which is called Freeform Gradient. You will find it on points by default, and it could work with you, but I'm going to choose lines for this tutorial. Once you've chosen lines, your cursor will have this circle and plus right next to it, which means that you can draw what you want your gradient path to be. And since rainbow has 7 colors, we need 7 dots. Let's start by clicking on this point right here, then down, up, down, up, down, and up again. Now if you're done, you can cut the path by clicking on Ctrl or Escape. To add the colors to the points we just drew, double click on each point of them and choose the color you want. If you're not satisfied by your gradient path, you can adjust the positions of your path anchors by clicking on one point and dragging it around. You can get rid of the stroke color if it's bothering you by clicking on the stroke shape here and then clicking on None. Now you have your rainbow colored shape nicely done. If you liked the tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.